Let's set up your Shelpful Smart Tags. Download the Shortcuts app from the App Store. It's made by Apple and open it on your phone. It'll show you all the shortcuts you have. We're going to start at the automation tab to just get right into this. If you've never set up an automation before, you'll see a big blue button in the middle. If you have, you'll see a plus sign in the top right-hand corner, and that's how you start your automation. You're now going to pick your trigger. Because we're using the Shelpful Smart Tags, NFC is the trigger. That stands for Near Field Communications. That's the technology inside the Shelpful Smart Tags. You're going to scan your tag by holding it to the back of your phone, right where the camera is in that whole panel. You tap it and then it's scanned. Name your tag something that makes sense. You want to have it run immediately, and I like to have it notify me when it runs. Now you can either choose from a shortcut that you've already built or downloaded from me, or for this, we're just going to create a new shortcut. We search an action. Let's search for timer and select start timer. Put in the amount of minutes or hours. You tap on any blue field and change it. After you hit the blue check mark in the top right corner, don't forget to hit that. You're done. You have created your first automation. When you tap that tag, it'll start a timer. I like my automations to work a little bit harder for me, so I'm going to go find it in the list and go back in and add a couple more actions. But if you want to stop here, you totally can. I think it's great to just start with one and see where that takes you. I'm going to click into the actions and search in the actions bar for Shelpful. That's the AI task manager that the makers of the smart tags also makes. And for Shelpful, it's an AI task manager, so I can just use just plain language and let it know which reminders I want. So I want a reminder in an hour, I want one tonight, and I want one tomorrow morning, because please let me not leave those wet clothes in there for multiple days. And then I can explore and add more. You could start a playlist, you could start a meditation, you could choose from any of the apps you have on your phone that have shortcuts. I think a good idea would be starting a workout to do a bit of habit stacking. So every time I put a load of wash in, I'm going to take a walk outside, or I'm going to do some squats. So you can select start a workout. You can choose the specific workout by selecting those blue fields and changing them. And then let's preview it. You can preview the shortcut by pressing the play button in the bottom right-hand corner. Or of course you can test it by actually tapping the tag either on your table or in its final location that you're going to put it. You can see here that my AI task manager message was sent. The timer is obviously running. You can see that on the top. Moving my laundry was added to my list. I could check it off if I've done it. I can also update my preferences so that my AI task manager swears at me or talks to me exactly how I want to, and I can adjust the proactive check-ins it does. Experiment with this, try to observe your day and notice where it squeaks, and that might be a place you can add a smart tag to just help something automatically happen. Have fun with it. Let us know any feedback.